Tech Tips here. I would like to welcome you guys to my channel and my video, and hopefully you guys and girls ended up watching my first video about my build. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. I'm not really a professional, first time doing this, and hopefully everything will work out. Today I have a very interesting subject I want to go through, and I will go in depth onto how to change your regular graphics card into a custom water cooling graphics card. So today we got the RTX 3080 Founders Edition. Now, guys, this card looks really nice. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's beautiful, and since the new update, I think a few months back, you're able to change the little LED lights in the Corsair iQ, which was a very nice step from them for NVIDIA to join with Corsair. So, you can set up your lights and it'll all look good together. Now, I have this and I really do enjoy using it. However, the temperature while playing games or using it really hard actually goes up. It could reach the 70s. Even though I changed the thermal paste in it, it still was pretty high. And I don't want to ramp up the fans constantly on it because, what's the use? Now what we have here is, I'm going to show you today on how to take your regular RTX 3080 and change it into a beautiful Corsair custom water cooling GPU Waterblock with RGB, obviously. So I'm going to go into in-depth steps on how to unscrew all the components in the 3080, and then how to install it into your beautiful RGB Waterblock. Stay with me and let's get the show started. Now, before we start, opening the 3080, I want to talk about the tools that I use in this demonstration. I'm not sponsored or, I'm not sponsored by this company, or am I promoting it. However, the iFixit tool is amazing. You can use it for anything. You can use it for your computers, you can use it for your watches, you can use it for anything. It has everything you need. It also has an anti-static wristband that has a wire with it. That way you can plug it in as a ground and you will not shock any of your electronic components. So I recommend this toolkit. It is amazing.
Okay guys, so now for the moment of truth. We have the GPU installed. We have all the tubings and all the... However, you can't just turn it on because now we need to add some water into the pump. So, able to do that, when you buy the Corsair, they give you a jumper cable. So, you have to disconnect both EPS cables and the 24 pin, and you take the jumper cable and you put it in the 24 pin, and that's because once you put the jumper in, it'll act like the computer's on, so you can pump in, you know, the water without actually having anything turned on and overheat. So let's see here. Put this jumper cable, that's if it wants to, there we go. So you see, it tricks the system into thinking that it's on. However, it's not on. So with the jumper cable, you put it there, you remove the EPS wires up top before you start filling in your loop. Okay guys, so I got so what I'm gonna do, I got the water, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pump it. I'm gonna turn on the pump until the water fills, and then I'm gonna stop it before it reaches the pump, because if there's no water in the pump, you can damage it. So what you want to do is you want to fill it up, turn it on until it sucks all the water in, and then right before it reaches there, you turn it off, and you keep on doing that. So here, just to give you an idea, I'm gonna turn it on. And then turn it back off. Because what you don't want to do is you don't want to damage the pump. And then you slowly fill it up like that. And then for the finale, watch the graphics card. I hope you enjoy this.